Hi, and greetings to you from Nashville, Tennessee. My name is Shelly. My husband Chris and I normally live in Delhi, China. We're currently displaced because of this season, and we're living in Nashville, Tennessee with our 4 kiddos. And every day consists of homeschool. So we wanted to give you a peek into our lives for those that have asked about us and asked on YouTube and on Facebook how we're doing. We've also received Let us know in the comments below how you're doing too. We'd love to hear from you and see how things are going in your life. Thank you so much for those of you that have checked on us. We are doing well. None of us have been sick so far, thank goodness. And we don't know a time that we'll return to China. We're just kind of waiting out the virus while we're here. And so we wanted to give you a picture into our day. Here we go. Here's a picture of what our day looks like.
Mom. Oh, look out. You like peanut butter?
Can you give her a hug again?
Lolly, do you like peanut butter?
Bali. And Camden's doing reading. What are you reading today, Cam?
I'm reading the Roald Dahl Fantastic Fox.
You like it?
Yeah, so far I like it. I'm not.
Looks like somebody found Easter basket and candy. Say hi.
Hey. Hey, guys.
Camden wanted to show us his Lego sets. Which is your favorite?
This is not mine.
Okay, what's your favorite Lego set?
I really like the Millennium Falcon. I also really like these guys. I like all of them.
Are you so thankful for them?
Yeah, Chi-Chi built this.
Wow. This is the highlight of our day, the highlight of excitement here in Smyrna, Tennessee, as we are gonna receive our mail. Never know what's coming in, but I'm out here. I'm actually waiting on the mail to come. That's just how little happens in this place these days. Also, tomorrow is Mow the Grass Day, which is a big day as well. So, here we go. Oh no, we were passed up. We literally had no mail. Nothing. Let's see what the reaction is. No. We were rejected. There was no mail.
What?
Going. We are well. We are at Mom and Dad's house. My mom and dad's house. This is my dad, Dr. Tommy Cook. And outside, I'm gonna run out here and show you what Chris is doing in this moment. You're fine. He has taken up the lawn chores. So he's taking care of everything out here for Mom and Dad. And we're trying to make sure that they are taken care of, both with groceries, so they don't have to go out. We do lots of click lists. We tried Amazon, we've not been able to get through. Let me know if you've been able to get through. Comment down below. We've been using an app called Shipt. Have you guys tried Shipt, and do you like it? And are there any others that you've been using that we could try out? That'd be great. Also, let me just run inside here and kind of show you our setup. So we go through our main door here, run through and say hi to Mom and Dad on our way through.
Bye.
And then we head through the kitchen where my mom is a wonderful cook. And then we actually have the entire upstairs for us to live as a family. So we start off with our extra room. We call it the frog room. And the boys use that for their games. We have a loft up here where the boys can set up and do homeschool stuff. And then down the hall, we have 3 bedrooms and a bathroom all to ourselves. I'll have to show you those later. We have sleeping kiddos. I don't want to wake them up, so. It's evening time, so we are doing some downtime, some kind of screen time, kind of coming down from the day. The kiddos do their thing, and then here's a sweet part of our day. It's bath time, so we've got a couple of kiddos in the bath. And we got another one kind of chilling here.
Hello.
Say hi.
I said hi. I said hello.
Hello, YouTube.
Please like and subscribe.
Oh, that is so sweet. Anyway, we're gonna sign off here from the day. We've had a good one. We've gotten a lot done today. Did all of our homeschool stuff. Got the yard mowed, got everything done, and we will see you soon. And we hope you're all doing well.